First, I identify a problem in my community that happens very often. Many people who consume alcohol spend time in public places such as parks, sidewalks, and outside local stores. When they finish drinking, they usually leave their trash on the ground, like bottles, cans, plastic, and food waste. This situation creates pollution, gives a bad image to the community, and affects the environment. It can also be dangerous because broken glass or waste can harm people and animals. After observing this problem several times, I started to think about why this happens. In many cases, people do not feel responsible for cleaning the place because they think it is not their duty. Also, some people are not aware of the damage they can cause to nature to others. For this reason, I understood that the main problem was not only the trash, but also the lack of awareness and responsibility. Then, I decided to take action and look for solutions. I began to search simple ways to create awareness in people. I learned that visual messages like posters can be effective because they are easy to understand and can reach many people quickly. So, I decided to create a plan based on this idea. My plan was to design posters by clear, short, and direct message in English, encouraging people to clean up after themselves. The message focuses on respect, responsibility, and care for shared places. I wanted the poster to be simple but strong, so that people could easily understand them and remember them. After designing the posters, I printed them and started to place them in strategic places where people usually gather to drink or spend time. I also went to local stores and gave them some posters, asking them to display them. This helped to spread the message to more people in the community. However, I knew that awareness alone wasn't not enough, so I also decided to lead by example. I went to areas where there was a lot of trash and started cleaning. I collected bottles, cans, and other waste, and I swept the ground to improve the appearance of the place. This action was important because it showed that change is possible and that everyone can contribute. After completing these actions, I observed the results. The places looked cleaner, more organized, and safer. In addition, some people started to pay attention to the posters and the change. Little by little, they began to understand the importance of cleaning the spaces they use. Even small changes in behavior can have a big impact over time. In conclusion, this project shows that identifying a problem is the first step to creating change. Then, with a clear plan, simple ideas, and real actions, it is possible to improve our environment. Raising awareness and taking responsibility are key to building a cleaner and healthier community. If more people join and take small actions like this, we can create a positive and lasting impact.